Here we are going to look at how we are going to make use of Microsoft Planner in order to manage the workflow of a product roadmap in our project management. This is the table of content in this lecture. First of all, we are going to look at where we can access our Microsoft Planner. And then we are going to use an example of a system named Smart Personalized Student Services system to illustrate how we are going to make use of Microsoft Planner. And then in our system, student service system, we have a list of features. And by using Microsoft Planner, we are going to look at how we are going to add our features to the right bucket, board, or Kanban in our Microsoft Planner. And this followed by assigning the features to the right team member to be in charge of them. And we are also going to specify the due date or completion date for each of our feature. And then finally, we are going to add all the missing required details for each of our features.